Today we are going to build a landing page inside WordPress using AntiGravity. But the interesting part is we are not going to manually create the page section by section. We'll connect AntiGravity to WordPress using Novamira and generate a landing page. Then we'll check if it's editable inside Elementor. Let's start with the setup. First, go to the Novamira website and download the free plugin. Then open your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, upload the plugin, install it, and activate it. Once the plugin is active, open the Novamira settings page and enable AI abilities. This allows the AI to perform actions inside your WordPress website. Next, generate an application password. Now switch to the Connect tab, select AntiGravity, and copy the connection details Novamira gives you. Then open AntiGravity, click the three-dot menu, and select MCP servers. Click Manage MCP Servers, open View Raw Config, and paste the connection details. Save the config and refresh AntiGravity. If everything is connected properly, you should now see a list of WordPress abilities provided by Novamira. And this is where it gets interesting. AntiGravity is no longer just giving suggestions. It can now interact with WordPress directly. Now I'll ask if Elementor is installed on my website. Instead of guessing, it checks WordPress directly. Since Elementor is installed, I'll ask AntiGravity to activate it, and there we go. Elementor is now active. This proves the AI is not just reading information, it can actually take action inside WordPress. Now let's see if it can generate an entire landing page inside WordPress. For this, I'll use a detailed prompt describing the page structure, sections, copy direction, visual style, and layout. Now I'll hit enter and let AntiGravity build it. After a few moments, the page is generated, and honestly, the result is okay. Not amazing. It has the sections I asked for, but visually, it still feels like a typical AI-generated landing page, clean but generic. And this is where most AI website tools hit a wall. They can create a layout, but they don't always make strong design decisions. So now comes the real test. Is this page actually editable? Let's click Edit with Elementor. And this is the part that matters. Every section is editable. I can change the text, colors, spacing, typography, images, containers, and layout directly inside Elementor. So even though the first version is not perfect, it gives us something useful, but we can do better. If you ask AI to make a beautiful landing page, it usually gives you something generic. So instead of making it invent a design, I'll give it a reference. I'll provide a screenshot of a landing page along with a detailed breakdown of the hero section, background style, character placement, spacing, section order, content blocks, and overall design direction. Now, the AI has something specific to follow. After a few moments, the new version is generated, and this is much better. The structure is closer to the reference, the flow feels more intentional, and the layout is less generic than the first attempt. But it is still not perfect. The background is not close enough, and the character image needs to be replaced. And honestly, this is what a realistic AI website workflow looks like. AI gets you close, then you polish the final 20% yourself. So I'll click Edit with Elementor, open the Structure panel, and select the image container. On the left side, I'll go to the Style tab. Under Background, I'll choose the Image option. This opens the WordPress media library. From here, I can select an existing image or upload a new one. I'll upload the image that matches my reference better, select it, and now the background image is replaced. Once the page looks better, I'll publish it and preview the final version. The desktop layout looks good. It is not a perfect clone, but it has the same direction. More importantly, it is a real WordPress page and it is editable. But before calling it done, we need to check responsiveness. Tablet looks decent, mobile needs work. So I'll take a screenshot of the mobile version, give it back to AntiGravity, and ask it to optimize the page for mobile. Once AntiGravity finishes the update, I'll preview the site again. Now the mobile version is not perfect, but it is much better. The sections stack properly, the content is readable, and the layout feels cleaner. AI isn't replacing design taste yet. It still needs clear prompts, good references, and human polishing. But it speeds up setup by creating pages, managing plugins, and generating editable layouts fast. It won't make a perfect site, but it gives you a solid, editable starting point in minutes.